Hey everybody, Roger Levin here with your Specialty Practice Pearl of the Week. So I'm going to start to include in these Pearls of the Week a concept called Why Your Referral Marketing Program Will Fail and strategies for specialists who want radical success. But sometimes we need to look at the failure side of the equation to understand how to get to success. So let's go ahead and do that now. This video will be on the subject of quantity. In 1985, I had this idea that referral marketing was not only about quality, but also about quantity of strategies. We see over and over new clients in our programs that have excellent high quality strategies, but too few of them. And they're calling us because the referrals are flat, maybe declining, maybe not growing enough. They want to add an associate or partners or new offices. And this is what we do every day. And we understand that to get results, you need enough quantity of strategies. So one way to fail, as we're doing this tongue-in-cheek, in referral marketing is simply not to have enough strategies, quantity, and the combination of those strategies. Because the other aspect, and this is why referral marketing is very sophisticated to do it right, the combination of those strategies, the integration of the strategies is also critical. So first, you need a quality level that represents your image and brand. Second, you need enough of them, but they don't all have to be home run strategies. Little things make a difference. Medium strategies make a difference. And yes, you do need some of those bigger strategies. They don't have to cost a fortune, but you do need them. But then you got to look at the strategies you're selecting. So when we work with a client, we will pull from 100 or 200 strategies, but we pull them together to ensure a synergistic effect. Synergy being the whole is bigger than the sum of the parts, that one strategy potentiates or makes another strategy more effective. And as you put them together, you get this stream and momentum of referrals that just keeps going. So when you put your strategic referral marketing plan together next time, make sure you have at least 15 strategies. You can roll them out gradually. They need to function together. That's the integration. At all times, that's the consistency. So as we've said at Levinger for years, 15 strategies functioning together at all times. And of course, they have to be positive and represent you in the right way. And don't forget, you need your professional relations coordinator to carry it out. Another opportunity to avoid failure that we'll talk about in our next video. As always, I wish you increased practice production and referrals every year, and I'll see you next week.